Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. Just have another haul for you today. And yeah, just thought I'd show you a couple more things and see where we go from there. So let's see. The first non-luxury thing I got that I just wanted to tell everybody about was, I don't know if you people have seen these. I watch like Sarah Ray Vargas. She's not a luxury YouTuber, but she's another vlogger. She always wears these cool sweaters, or sweatshirts, and so did like, why is her name escaping me here? Learning to be Fearless. Alex Rodriguez. She always wore these, and I wondered if they would fit me because I'm plus size. And the largest size they have is the large, extra large. And I am very pleased to say that they fit, and they fit big. So I got this awesome Nirvana sweatshirt. Has these smiley faces on the side. It was so comfortable that not only did I get this in pink, but I also got it in green. And then did I not only get it in green, I also got it in a turquoise like blue. So I now have 3 of those. But I think they're awesome. Let's see, the other items that I got. Well, I was going to show you this. This was the Louis Vuitton. They call it a card holder, but I use it for pictures. The parts just slide out here. And yeah, just gives you a nice spot to hold your pictures in. And fits really nice and slim in your purse. I just thought it was really, really nice, so I picked that up. I got that from Rebag. I was very pleased with that. Another purchase I've gotten was this. I was, again, influenced by Instagram. Normally, I'm not influenced by that, but lately, oh my gosh. So I saw this so many times that I finally decided that I had to have it because it was so pretty. So this is by YSL. Comes in this nice gold box. And here's the tube. Just says YSL there, and in the pink with the silver, and I was hooked. I got just the lip gloss because I'm a lip gloss gal, but yeah, I just thought this was so pretty. I couldn't resist it. And for this, it was $39, so not too bad when it comes to like a luxury brand lip gloss. So I got those, and I was very excited about that. And then I finally decided, I have been watching, well, first off, words are hard right now. Dawn Loves Couture has been showing some really neat Longchamp bags she's got. But who really gets me, who like gets to me, is Nick Snell. He has some beautiful Longchamp bags. And he just always, he styles them so nicely, and he makes them look so interesting. And I have a Longchamp backpack, which I adore. And I also have a little straw, kind of like rattan, but it's a small tote. But I've never had an actual nylon Longchamp bag. And so that real is real dangerous. They had this on, and it was listed in excellent condition. It had been marked down quite a few times, so I got it. And I don't know what size this is. I don't know if it's like a La Pliage or something. It's kind of this plummy, purpley blue color. It's the best way to describe it, but it's awesome. And this this leather's so soft and pliable. I guess I didn't know it was like that because my backpack is not like that at all. It is stiff leather. So this is really nice. And then it was in excellent condition. So it's just a big old hole in there. And there is one slip pocket right over here, which I didn't know it was going to have. And otherwise the interior is just, like the plasticky kind of stuff, or Viant, whatever that is. And this is just the coated canvas. But yeah, this was like new. I still don't know how you fold these up. Like, why is this here? I'm thinking, does it fold up somehow where it's supposed to clip like that? But then where do these go? Do they go in? I don't know. I have to figure that out yet. I suppose this is kind of probably like a medium sized tote, but I'm in love. I love the color. I liked it online, but I like it even better in person. And yeah, just a nice little bag. So I got that. And it all started because Nordstrom had a little Longchamp item that I liked. And then I thought, why don't I look at the real? Because half the time you can find stuff there cheaper in good shape. And I found another excellent item, and it was in a color I really liked. So I got a little coin purse. It's just almost like the Tiffany blue color. Just has the little flap here that opens. It's got a really pretty zipper pull handle, and it just zips open to this nice little interior. I think there's a real stick sheet in there, but yeah, I just got this. Let's close it back up again. Just super cute little coin purse, and I like the coin purse. So yeah, those are the items that I picked up and just wanted to share with you. The other thing I was going to mention is just kind of talk a little bit about like his luxury dyeing and things like that. And I know everybody and their brother's been doing videos on that now. And one of the things that I haven't heard mentioned is, at least not on any of the videos that I've watched, is I think one of the things coming into play is saturation. I know like some people's views might be down, and then it seems like maybe they're not as popular or people aren't interested in them. But I mean, there are so many creators now, and so many of us like become a community, and then people that had just been commenters are now starting to start their channels. And I think a lot of it has to do with saturation as well. There's a lot of us out there, and I think it's awesome because I think that everybody has their own unique little style. They wear things differently than everybody else, so you get ideas, find different values in different bags, point out things that you haven't seen before. The hardest part is trying to keep up with everybody. So I don't even know that some of these people that think that their views are down or things like that, it isn't so much that they're down, it's just that there are so many more choices out there now than there ever had been before. So sorry, there's somebody behind the camera thinking they're being really funny right now. And so that's one of the things that I've kind of noticed. It's hard for like even me to keep up. I have so many favorites now. It's like every time a new person comes on, I just adore them. Either they had been a commenter in my comments, or they're new to me and I know them because somebody else has brought them up, and then I want to watch their channels. And so I want to watch their channels, and then I want to, I want to watch the channels that I've already been watching. And then luxury isn't my only avenue of excitement. Like I like quilting, so then I want to watch the quilters that I like. And then I like, chickens. I now have my own flock of chickens in my backyard. And so I've been watching tons of chicken videos, and as I watch these other videos, it makes it harder and harder to keep up with everybody. So a lot of times, at least with me, I like to comment on people's videos that I've watched, but I'll end up binge watching. So like I'll pick like a time, and then I'll watch like the last 5 videos from a creator, and then I want to comment on each one, and then I'll catch up with another one and catch up because I don't want to miss anything. I mean, the time and effort we put into these videos, I think they're worth viewing, and so I want to make sure that not only do I hope people like and watch my content, but I want to do the same for them and comment and things like that. So I just think that plays a big part into it right now. I mean, I know a number of years ago when I started watching luxury channels, there weren't that many people. There was Jerusha, Minnie from Minx for All, Mel in Melbourne, Karis, and those are some of the, Cassie then started, was another big name, but she's relatively new, so to speak, compared to the other ones as far as I'm aware. And so I just think that it's just a big change. And the fact that now everybody is kind of getting to know each other and commenting. And yeah, I just think there's an awful lot of us out there, which I think is awesome. I just, it's just like too many creators, not enough time. But no, I do make the time. But yeah, I don't think anything's dying. I think we're just saturating the space right now, which I think is a good thing. So that's my take on that. That's my haul for today. I thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free. I would love it. Love to have you come back and watch more, watch some of my previous videos, and just thank you. Thank you for being here. You can find me on Instagram at Jane_S_Jam, and would love to see you over there as well. I love when you comment. I like to respond to all the comments and keep a conversation going, and want to tell you, and until next time, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.